Hello guys, today I'm going to be playing OG Fun Monkey Horror, and also this game is really fun. Later on in this video it's going to get crazy, so watch till the end of this video. It's going to get crazy, but first I have to go into a lobby, and I'm gonna go into a very fun map.
And
as you can see, I've played this game a little.
You have to night mode.
But yeah, I just want to show you around this game. And my favorite map is Light Up. Basically, you join it, and then it shows what code you want to do. I usually just hit public all the time, because, you know, it's public. Yeah, guys, I'm recording a video, by the way. I have 200 subscribers. Say, take care. Why are you following me? It's right there. Alright, yeah. I forgot to mention, the monster kicks you. Yeah, because when you go into a map, you would usually still be in this lobby. But this one, you're still, like, you have to join the server. You know? But sometimes you can, it's weird, but... Guys, open all the doors. What is wrong with you? What is wrong? I'll check over here. I'm joking. I pranked you guys.
Go to Bean Hallway. Let's check Bean Hallway.
Guys, let's check Dead Hallway. Guys, we have to go to Dead Hallway.
No, this is Bean Hallway over here.
No, hell!
We have to go to Dead Hallway. Alright, this is Dead Hallway right here. This is Dead Hallway.
Let's go.
Oh, I hear him.
Oh!
He's stuck in Death Hallway. He's stuck in Death Hallway. He's stuck in Death Hallway.
Guys, he's over there. He's over there. He's over there. He's over there.
He's stuck in Death Hallway. He's stuck in Death Hallway.
Lowe's knows that you need hose.
He's stuck. You can hear him right here. You can hear him right here.
Oh, I just said Lowe's knows that you need hose.
Shut up.
Oh
my god! Open the door! Go.
He's right there.
Has nothing come.
Dude,
He's still there.
You shouldn't go close.
I still hear him, guys. I still
bye,
hear him.
bye. Guys, he's still over there. He's stuck over there.
No.
I died. So, beam boing, beam boing, boing, beam boing. Alright. So, alright, I'm back. Everybody go to meet up. It's so underrated.
No. Everybody go to run. Everybody go to run.
Oh. Dun, 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 dun. It is Tuesday. Do I actually love when Toasty does that? It is Tuesday. Like, Toasty, that's beautiful singing.
It's not skippity Close the door! Close the door!
Yes, I'm back! Why'd you do that? No! Okay, this...
Bro,
I'm exhausted, bro.
I bet.
From that.
Guys, don't close the doors.
You're exhausted. You're exhausted.
Open the door!
Thank you for all exhausted.
Open it!
Guys, don't open that door.
Thank you. He's over there! He's circling! He's over there!
Dude, don't close the door. Don't close the door.
Don't
Apple,
close the door,
banana.
bro! He literally
Chicken,
chased me and some red dude, I think!
Banana.
Don't close the door.
Hey, Pink, I can do that
Bro,
too.
close the doors! If you
No.
guys all die, it's because you guys didn't listen
Dude,
to
what's
me.
the point of a horror game if you're supposed to die, bro?
How about
Like,
you?
It's
How
you're
about
not
you?
supposed to. Ew.
We're waiting for other people to
dude,
join.
what's the
Kid,
point of
listen,
a
the
horror
point
game
of
if
this
you're
game
not
is to
supposed to
die.
die?
No, it is not. A point of this. A
game-
point of a horror game is to survive and do stuff.
That is
We're-
not. That is
We're
not
going to a
true.
different server.
It's supposed to scare
What are
you,
you on
bro.
about? You tripping?
Are you stupid? It's
Yo,
supposed to
everybody
scare
report
you.
this dude for being dumb.
Everybody report.
Dude,
James.
what did I do? What did I do?
Let me see. Let me see.
We're
let me see.
reporting you for being dumb.
What did I do?
Everyone.
What did
Everyone
I
died.
do?
You died.
Alright, bro, you guys are
Everyone
gonna
died.
ban yourselves,
Everyone.
bro.
else died.
Man, shut the fuck up.
It's 4 of us. We're all dead. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Dude,
Yo, this game is
are you
my
really
actual IP,
reporting me
by the way.
because I'm
Everyone.
being dumb?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Everyone.
Dude, there
Everyone,
are.
his ID is
You hear this
His
guy?
ID
You hear this guy
scared.
reporting me
This is
because
my
I'm
actual
dumb?
IP, bro.
ADAC.
That's crazy.
Dude,
Dude, that's so wild. You're reporting me
because
because.
exact IP.
He was right there. He was right
Bro, the
there.
low paper fade. Low paper fade. The low paper fade is here.
Guys,
Low paper
everybody
fade?
raise your hand if you
report
think
low
it's dumb to
paper
report me
fade.
because I'm dumb.
He says the point of a horror game is to die.
No, I said the point of a horror game